Good afternoon, Boomers. Brian Tong here from Boomerlife.net. I got a new one for you today. It's called an NFT. What the heck is an NFT? Are you in the market for a non fungible token? Well, I'm having a hard time wrapping my mind around this whole Bitcoin thing. And now it seems to be getting even more complicated. I got to say, this is the first I've heard of this one, but apparently some guy named Vaynerchuk is making a killing on them. He's selling a basic business book called 12 and a Half, which is selling like hotcakes due to a promise of a mystery NFT with every copy. And people are buying them by the dozens pre-printing. I published my own book this year, Verdict Justice, and apparently I should have offered a mystery NFT with each copy because he's sold like 250,000 and it isn't even out of print yet. So what the heck are they? Well, according to the BBC, in economics, a fungible asset is something with units that can be readily interchanged, like money. Like you take a $10 bill, trade it for two fives, and it's the same thing. They have the same value. However, if something is non fungible, this is impossible. It means it has unique properties so that it can't be interchanged with something else. It could be a house or a painting like the Mona Lisa, which is one of a kind. You can take a photo of the painting or buy a print, but there will only ever be one original painting. NFTs are one of a kind assets in the digital world that can be bought and sold like any other piece of property, but which have no tangible form of their own. That's what I just said. I don't get it. The digital tokens can be thought of as certificates of ownership for virtual physical assets. I see where a picture of a dog sold for 4 million bucks. So, how does this work? Traditional works of art, such as paintings, are valuable precisely because they're one of a kind. But digital files can be easily and endlessly duplicated. With NFTs, artwork can be tokenized to create a digital certificate of ownership that can be bought and sold. As with cryptocurrency, a record of who owns what is stored on a shared ledger known as the blockchain. The records cannot be forged because the ledger is maintained by thousands of computers around the world. NFTs can also contain smart contracts that may give the artist, for example, a cut of any future sale of the token. So, how much are they worth? In theory, anybody can tokenize their work to sell as an NFT, but interest has been fueled by recent headlines of multi-million-dollar sales. February 19, an animated GIF of Nyan Cat, a 2011 meme of a flying Pop-Tart cat, sold for more than $500,000. A few weeks later, musician Grimes sold some of her digital art for more than $6 million. It's not just art that is tokenized and sold. Twitter's founder, Jack Dorsey, has promoted an NFT of the first ever tweet, with bids hitting $2.5 million. Christie's sale of an NFT by digital artist Beeple for $69 million set a new record for digital art. French film Sorare, which sells football trading cards in the form of NFTs, has raised $680 million. But as with cryptocurrencies, there are concerns about the environmental impact of maintaining the blockchain. Slant-eyed Chloe Clem is to sell an iconic meme as an NFT. So what's stopping people from copying digital art? Nothing. Millions of people have seen Beeple's art that sold for $69 million, and the image has been copied and shared countless times. In many cases, the artist even retains the copyright ownership of their work so they can continue to produce and sell copies. But the buyer of the NFT owns a token that proves that they own the original work. Some people compare it to buying an autographed print. So, you get it? I still don't. Is this a bubble? A day before his record-breaking auction, Beeple, whose real name is Michael Winkelmann, told the BBC, "I actually do think there will be a bubble, to be quite honest, and I think we could be in that bubble right now." Many are even more skeptical. David Gerard, the author of Attack with the 50-Foot Blockchain, said he saw NFTs as buying official collectibles similar to trading cards. There are some artists absolutely making bank on this stuff. It's just that you probably won't, he warned. The people actually selling the NFTs are crypto gift grifters, he said. Same guys who've always been at it, trying to come up with a new form of worthless magic bean that they can sell for money. Former Christie's auctioneer Charles Alsop said the concept of buying NFTs makes no sense. Now, I agree with Charles. I think he's right on. The idea of buying something which isn't there is just strange, he told the BBC. I think people who invest in it are slight mugs, but I hope they don't lose their money. Well, I got to say, I'm not going to lose my money in NFTs because I'm never buying one, and I'm not buying any books that hope to capitalize on giving away one with each copy, although probably I should. But that's it for now, Boomers. Have a great day. I'll see you on the flip. Brian Tong, Boomerlife, out.